We may define therapy as a search for value, meaning psychological therapy as well as physiological, biological therapy treatment is not always about the exercise and intake of a whole lot of medicines and other prescriptions at the same time. It's not always about medication, medicine, counseling, suggestion. Although all those things are important, although those things are undeniably important and inevitably fundamental, critical, imperative in our good, in our growth, progress, learning, in the improvement of our both physiological and mental health in one way or another, in the development, enhancement of our psychology, understanding freedom, sense of happiness, contentment, self belief, understanding, etc. But besides the adoption and exercise of medicine, prescriptions, therapy is also always about being valuable, beautiful, good, productive, authentic, virtuous from the inside out, and most importantly from the inside, because inward beauty is everything. When we change inwardly, then that changes also everything outwardly in one way or another, because inward significance changes outward reality, because inward talent, growth, progress, learning, transformation is everything for outward success, external triumph, societal ambition, respect, reputation, honor, veneer, in one way or another. So that's how this differentiation works. And therapy also is a search for value, or therapy may also be defined as a search, a quest for value, virtue, meaning, significance, authenticity in the life of both men and women that need treatment. So it's about value, it's about being valuable from the inside so that we can have weight, significance about us, so that we can be grateful, authentic, modest, moderate, and humble all the time, so that we can exercise humility, modesty, moderation, understanding, compassion, and other virtues, qualities over judgment, arrogance, aggression, frustration all the time. So it's about a search for value that also is therapy, and therapy is not always essentially about medication, prescription, and other arbitrary commands and unconditional sacrifices, suggestions of all time. But therapy may also be about the search for a deeper meaning, value, significance, virtue, authenticity within ourselves that just has been undiscovered, that just has not been explored, known, understood before, that could change our lives forever, that can lead to some kind of inevitable ultimate transformation, changeover, and self knowledge and self realization in our lives in one way or another. But for that to happen, we have to be also adamant, powerful, resilient, and willing